I count? Are you ready? In 3, 2, 4! Ladies and gentlemen, the hosting of the district banners.
And now let's proceed to the district vice.
Minerva Alvis, sa atong Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Chiefs, Supervisors, Principal School Heads, sa atong mga teachers, sa tuwang mga student athletes, sa tuwang mga personal, pag-ensayo sa matag paningkamot sa atong mga atleta. Makita nato ang matag estudyante nga nagkakon sa leksyon sa kinabuhi.
Tangan lang, ano lang.
It reminds us that true victory is not only found in winning, but in striving with integrity, discipline, and heart.
This symbolic lighting marks the official start of the competitions, a moment that ignites hope, courage, and unity among all participating athletes.
To lead this momentous part of the program, we take pride in presenting the true who will light the Indigay 2025 torch. One family, united by discipline, strengthened by teamwork, and driven